Hello friends, today I am showing new type of potato recipe. This potato recipe very easy way making and very simple and very delicious recipe. And is recipe specially for snacks recipe. So now let's go. How can I make this recipe? Here I have taken two big potato. When you make this recipe, always take a big potato. So now peel this potato. This two potato peel has complete, and now wash well properly. And wash has complete, and now let's go next step. And now this potato cutting well properly. See the friends, the potato has cutting has done, and this is the type of cutting. This is the little bit thin cutting. So now let's go next step. And now it is the next step. Here added the cutting potato in the fresh water and wash well properly. And now let's go next step. Here is the next step, and now added the corn flour, 2 tablespoon added 2 tablespoon corn flour. Then after added 1 teaspoon mixed herb, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Then after added salt to taste. Then after added 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and mixed well properly. Mixed has done, and now added little bit water, and this mixture make little bit thin. This batter has done, and now let's go next step. And here is the next step, and now added the breadcrumb, and now this is the batter, and now add the cutting the potato one by one, and now coat with breadcrumb. This is the proper thing, and now make a one by one. See the friends, all coat has done properly, and now let's go next step. And here is the next step, and here added the 1 tablespoon refined oil, and now add one by one the potato. And first step half done properly. Then after I will this potato full done. See the friends, half done has done, and now remove the kadai. See the friends, half done fry has done, and now and now do full properly, full done properly. See the friends, fry has done, and now remove the oil. See the friends, fry has done, and now serve the properly, and now add the salt, and this fry me serve with mayonnaise. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.